If you are a new or old YouTuber and your videos are not being recommended by the YouTube algorithm currently, it's because there is a new update that you're not aware of yet, or you're probably aware of it and you've not turned on this particular update in your YouTube analytics yet. So if your old videos or your new videos that you created years ago or recently are not being recommended by the YouTube algorithm, then let's dive into the YouTube studio immediately so that I can show you how to turn on these settings and all your videos are going to start being recommended by the YouTube algorithm to more audience, to get more views and to grow your channel. In order to turn on this feature for YouTube to start recommending your video, you need to use the web version of the YouTube studio. So you need to go to studio.youtube.com, and once you log into your YouTube studio, you go ahead to click this editing icon, this customization icon. So once you click on it, you see your channel customization. So the first page you're going to see is your profile. Here, it doesn't really matter where you need to go to. Where it is more important is the home tab. So click on the home tab, and there you see this feature. So this feature is very, very important for YouTube to start recommending your videos. So first of all, you can see that I've already turned it on. But in order for you to use this feature for YouTube to start recommending your videos, you need to turn it on, because this, so let me turn it on. You see this show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So after turning it on, the next thing you need to add section. So you click on section, you can see the different sections you can add. We have videos, popular videos, short videos, live. So we have different features here. So the first thing you want to set up here is spotlight for returning subscribers. So this will help subscribers, once they come to your channel, they will be able to see your first video or the first video that's performing well in your channel. So click on it, and then you can select that particular video that is doing well in your channel. So I'm going to select that particular video now and then add it to my channel. So this is the best video that is doing well on my channel so far. So far, this video has gotten 83k views. So I'm going to add it to my spotlight video on my channel, so that once they return to my channel, they're going to see it. Then the most important feature that we are going to customize here is the For You. So this For You, YouTube recommends fresh content based on your viewers' interest. This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content on your channel. So for you to use this feature, you need to have a lot of videos on your channel. So let's customize it now. This is the settings for you. The For You section will be only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So this For You section, the important part of this For You section is that once a new audience sees your video in their home feed or the browse feature, and they click on it and they watch your video and it interests them, they're going to go to your channel to see. This is where the For You setting is very, very important. So content type, we have video, we have short, we have live stream. So if you have this type of videos in your channel, you can turn them on. You see that I turned all of them on, but usually other creators and small YouTubers don't even turn this on at all. So you have to turn all of them on. And then you see recency. So this recency is very, very important. I turned on all content recommended, because YouTube always updates the For You section with fresh content. So if you do this, even your videos from years back, even the first video you published on your channel, YouTube will also start recommending them, even if they have stopped getting views for a long time ago. But if you go and select this recent content only, it's going to be the content that you are publishing currently that YouTube is going to be recommending, and this will not help your channel to grow. But because you have old videos on your channel and you want YouTube to be recommending all your channel, you need to select on this all content. And after doing that, you go ahead and click done, so that these settings will be saved. And then you need to also include playlist, because once a viewer click on your playlist and watch one of your videos, after that video finish playing, it's going to recommend other videos that are included in that playlist, and that's how you're going to get more watch time. And the more watch time you get on your channel, the more YouTube will start promoting your videos, because YouTube is much more interested in watch time and the ability of the YouTuber to keep audience more on the platform. So once you can do that, YouTube will start pushing more of your videos. After turning on these settings, don't forget to click on publish, because that's the only way that the settings will be saved. And once you have done this, be rest assured that YouTube will start recommending all your other videos, even your old videos. If you have turned these settings on, sit back and relax and let YouTube algorithm do the rest of the work for you by pushing your videos to millions of audience out there, because YouTube currently have over 2.5 billion audience to push your videos to them to watch your videos. So sit back and relax and let the YouTube algorithm do the rest of the work. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and let me know what you think about these settings in the comment section. If you have turned it on yet or you have not turned it on yet, and why you have not done that, let me know in the comment sections. Let's interact. And if you want to get out of this small YouTuber's trap, click on this video on the screen to learn exactly how to release your channel from this trap and start growing and getting more traction on your YouTube channel. And I'll see you in this video.